So I'm going to do a little snowy cold start on my 1992 Buick Regal Limited. I got it back from the shop and they fixed the hood because of the fade. They fixed the fade off of my hood because the sun did that. And it looks brand new. You guys can see it. Looks a lot new. It's kind of chilly out. Christine has 98,839 miles on it. She's still pretty good mileage for like a 27-year-old car.
Will be a cold afternoon for mid-November.
Now that was a snowy cold start. Smooth steering. Gotta love your Buick.